Here we are. Friday, September 6, 2024. Finishing up my first scooter exhaust welding repair. I think I got it all. I was shining a flashlight in there to spot the pinholes. I don't think there's any more. I got them all. Except, well, I don't know. There might be some down there on that one. Just the other end, but yeah, a little spot right there. I might need to hit that again. Yeah. Little one right there. All right, I think that's pretty good there. Got her all welded up. Take another little gander at it there. Is that good? Right there, I can't see it. I can't even see it. Can't focus on that. Might be a little hole there too. Let me hit that one too. So there it is. I got it all done. Thing sat in my yard for a year. I was only supposed to get the bolts off of the flange there. That was my main goal. And it was covered with JB weld and layers of exhaust tape and a few dozen there's like hose clamps from down here to up there. There was one in the middle, there was one up there, there was a couple down here, there's tape all over it, lots of JB weld exhaust tape, that woven stuff. But yeah, got it all done. So now I just got to bolt it onto the bike and get it out. It probably needs a gasket on the, I don't know, maybe a gasket on there.